Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom 360. CBSE has reduced its syllabus for the session 2020-21 by approximately 30% for all of its subjects. It becomes important to know what are the various reductions that have been made in the different subjects. Let us have a look at various topics that have been deleted from the syllabus of Class 12 CBSE. Taking a look at the syllabus of English, we can see that note making and summarizing no more form the part of the reading section. In the literature, Poets and Pancakes, A Roadside Stand, The Interview, Going Places have been removed from the book Flamingo, and from Vistas, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of Earth and Memories of Childhood are no more there in the syllabus. As far as the writing section is concerned, poster making, business or official letters for making enquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, orders and sending replies, and speech and debate do not form the part of the syllabus anymore. From the syllabus of computer science, the following topics have been deleted in Unit 1, Computational Thinking and Programming. And in Unit 2, Computer Networks and Unit 3, Database Management, following topics have been deleted. Moving towards the syllabus of mathematics, we can see that in Unit 1, Relations and Functions, composite functions and inverse of a function are no more there in relations and functions. In inverse trigonometric functions, graph of inverse trigonometric functions, elementary properties of inverse trigonometric functions have been deleted. In Unit 2, Algebra, from the matrices, existence of non-zero matrices whose product is zero matrix, concept of elementary row and column operations, proof of the uniqueness of inverse if it exists are deleted. And from determinants, we can see that properties of determinants, consistency, inconsistency, and number of solutions of system of linear equations by examples are no more there in the syllabus. In Unit 3 Calculus, we can see that following topics have been deleted from continuity and differentiability, applications of derivatives, integers, application of the integrals, differential equations. And the following topics do not form part of vectors and three-dimensional geometry anymore. So those were the topics that are deleted from the syllabus of the subjects which are common to both science as well as commerce stream. Now let us take a look at the topics that are removed from the syllabus of science stream specifically. Having a look at the syllabus of physics, we see that these topics are deleted from the chapters Electric Charges and Field, Current Electricity, Moving Charges and Magnetism, Magnetism and Matter, Alternating Current, Electromagnetic Waves, Ray Optics and Optical Instruments, Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter, Nuclei and Semiconductor Electronics. Mind it, only the topics mentioned have been removed. The rest of the topics forms part of the syllabus. Moving towards chemistry, we see that following topics are no more there in solid states, solutions, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Topics deleted from surface chemistry, general principles and processes of isolation of elements and p-block elements are the following. These topics do not form part of D and F block elements, coordination and compounds, haloalkanes and haloarenes anymore. And from alcohols, phenols and ethers, amines and biomolecules, following topics have been deleted, whereas polymers and chemistry in everyday life have been completely removed. Talking about the syllabus of biology, we can see that from the chapters reproduction in organism and evolution, the mentioned topics are deleted. Following topics of the chapters strategies for enhancement in food production and ecosystem no more form the part of the syllabus. And from environmental issues, the following topics are deleted from the syllabus of biology for class 12. So those were the changes made in the syllabus of science stream subjects. Now let us have a look at the changes that are made in the subjects of commerce stream. Taking a look at the syllabus of accountancy, we see that adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of balance sheet do not form part of admission of partner. Also, adjustments of capital accounts and preparation of loan account of the retiring partner as well as preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account is no more required in the chapter retirement and death of the partner. And the methods of redemption of debentures by lump sum method and draw of lots are no more there in the accounting for debentures. Talking about economics, we can see that in introductory macroeconomics, following topics have been deleted from money and banking and balance of payments. And the following topics related to current challenges facing Indian economy are no more there in the Indian economic development. Looking at the business studies syllabus, we see that in part A, principles and functions of management, the following topics have been deleted from the chapters business environment, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And in part B, business finance and marketing, the given topics of marketing and consumer protection are no more there in the syllabus of 2020-21 for business studies. So that was a quick look at the various topics that have been deleted from the syllabus of various subjects of CBSE class 12. Please note that only the topics mentioned in the video have been deleted from the syllabus. The other topics of the chapters still form part of the syllabus and the student must study them. Also, these changes apply only for the academic year 2020-21. So prepare well. Wishing you all the best and thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.